Hi, yellow spellers. So this week you are focusing on the long I vowel sound. Okay, so the long I vowel sound can be spelled three different ways. It can be spelled IGH with the G and the H silent, but because of the G and H, it makes that I say its name. It makes it a long I vowel sound. The long I vowel sound can also be spelled with just an I, which is very tricky because a lot of times you would think it's an I. So you kind of have to test out the short I vowel sound and the long I vowel sound and see which one makes more sense and listen to the sound of the word. And then long I vowel sound can also be spelled with an I and an E. Okay, so let's first talk about the spelling pattern IGH. So slight, she had a slight smile on her face. Might, I might go outside if it doesn't rain. Might. Fight. So if I get hurt, I try to fight through it, but I will take medicine if I need to. Fight. Tight. And the older you get, you might grow out of some of your clothes, so your clothes might become tight on you. Sight. You want to stay in sight of the adults that are taking care of you. Sight. Midnight. So 12 o'clock a.m. is midnight. Let's look at long I vowel sound spelled with just an I. Mild. Maybe you like mild taco sauce. Maybe you like hot taco sauce. I prefer mild taco sauce. Mind. So your mind in your brain, what you think, it's your mind. Blind. Helen Keller was blind and deaf. We learned all about Helen Keller. So long I vowel sound spelling pattern IE. The silent E on the end, you don't hear it, but it makes this I a long I vowel sound. Tie. So you tie a tie if you want to dress up a little bit. You put a tie on. Lie. This lie can be used two different ways. So if you don't tell the truth and you lie, that's not a good thing. You always want to tell the truth. Or you could say, she lied on her back. It's like saying you lay down. So she lied on her back. She will lie down. So these are your words. Oh, I almost forgot one. Pie. Oh, the best kind of pie is apple pie with ice cream. And pilot, spelled with just an I. Pilot.